Welcome back to MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something truly massive and truly luxurious. This is the 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome, and once you see the size of this thing, you will understand why people are calling it a $5 million moving palace on wheels. Let us get right into it and break down everything about this incredible machine, starting with the exterior. The exterior design of this motorhome is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Scania. The front end features the iconic Scania badge in bold chrome lettering, mounted on a massive grille that commands attention the moment you see it. The headlights are sharp, modern LED units that wrap around the front fascia, giving this beast a futuristic and premium look. Up top, there is an integrated spoiler with built-in lighting that not only adds to the aerodynamics but also gives the vehicle a sleek silhouette despite its enormous size. Speaking of size, this is a proper 6x6 configuration, meaning it rides on 3 axles with 6 wheels for maximum stability and load-bearing capacity. This is not your average camper van. This is a heavy-duty commercial-grade chassis that has been transformed into a rolling 2-story home. The double-decker body style is what really sets this apart from anything else on the market. You have a lower deck and an upper deck, both packed with windows that let in natural light and give passengers a real sense of space while traveling. The paint finish is a beautiful pearlescent champagne white, which looks absolutely stunning under any lighting condition. Whether it is parked inside a showroom under bright studio lights or sitting outside during golden hour, the paint reflects light in a way that makes it look like a piece of art rather than just a vehicle. Chrome accents are used tastefully around the grille, mirrors, and lower body trim, giving it that extra touch of luxury without going overboard. Now let us step inside, because this is where things get really impressive. The interior of this motorhome is nothing short of a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Starting with the cockpit, the dashboard is wrapped in premium tan and cream leather, complete with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment display. The steering wheel is multifunction, wrapped in soft leather with chrome detailing, and the entire cabin has ambient lighting strips that create a warm and relaxing atmosphere while driving. Moving further back, you step into what can only be described as a full luxury apartment. The kitchen area features sleek modern cabinetry finished in matte cream tones combined with walnut wood accents. There is a built-in induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, integrated refrigeration, and countertops that mimic the look of high-end marble. Under-cabinet LED lighting adds both function and style, making cooking on the road feel like a 5-star culinary experience. The living area is equally impressive, with curved leather sofas, a foldable dining table, and large panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The flooring combines wood and marble effect finishes, and there is even a ceiling-mounted television for entertainment during long journeys. This is a space designed for comfort, relaxation, and genuine luxury living, not just a place to pass time while traveling from point A to point B. Then we get to the bedroom, located on the upper deck, and this might just be the highlight of the entire vehicle. It features a plush king-size bed with cream and gold bedding, soft ambient ceiling lighting, and large tinted windows equipped with blackout curtains for privacy and better sleep. There is a built-in wardrobe with mirrored doors, wood-paneled walls, and even a cozy reading nook. Honestly, this bedroom rivals what you would find in a high-end boutique hotel. Now let us talk about performance, because a vehicle this size needs serious power to move it. Being built on a Scania heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome is powered by a robust diesel engine designed for hauling massive loads across long distances. The 6x6 drivetrain provides excellent traction and stability, which is crucial when you are dealing with a vehicle carrying this much weight and size. While exact horsepower and torque figures can vary depending on the specific build and customization, Scania engines in this class typically produce anywhere between 400 and 600 horsepower, paired with immense torque output that makes hauling this 2-story home feel effortless. The suspension system is also upgraded to handle the added weight of the double-decker body, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even when fully loaded with passengers, water, fuel, and all the luxury amenities packed inside. Braking systems are equally robust, designed to handle the demands of a vehicle this size safely, whether cruising on the highway or navigating tighter roads. Now for the part everyone is curious about, the price. Given the level of customization, the sheer size, the 6x6 configuration, and the luxury interior finishes throughout, this motorhome is estimated to cost around $5 million, depending on the exact specifications and options chosen by the buyer. This puts it firmly in the category of ultra-luxury mobile homes, competing with some of the most expensive custom-built motorhomes in the world today. So there you have it, the 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome, a true moving palace that combines heavy-duty engineering with 5-star hotel-level luxury. From the bold exterior design to the stunning kitchen, the incredible bedroom suite, and the powerful performance underneath it all, this is easily one of the most impressive motorhomes we have covered on this channel. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MH Car Review for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.